all the time when I start speaking, then I all the time I said he, he. I have to say he, she. I always make mistakes that time, and I always make mistake when I am talking about past, and I use the present tense. That time I face difficult. In today's session, I got three many important things, or you can say tips from you. Actually, you told me that I have to.
Have you done your breakfast?
No, nowadays Ramzan is going on, so that's why we are fasting. So we don't take breakfast. We
Hmm.
will break our fast in the evening at 6:15. That time we will take something.
Yeah, so in Ramzan, I think in morning 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, uh, you have like you are eat something. It's
Yes,
a
yes,
true.
yes, yes. At 4 a.m., we take something like some dates, slices of breads, etc. Some light food we eat in the morning at 4, and after that we don't take anything the whole day. And in the evening, we break our fast with dates and fruits, and we make many kinds of things. Do you have any Muslim friend?
No, no.
That's why I don't know anything about Ramzan.
Okay, so tomorrow is Holi, so happy Holi in advance. How you do? Like, do you celebrate Holi or not?
Same to you. Yes, I have so many Hindu friends and I also play Holi with them. But nowadays, due to Ramzan, we avoid these things because it's prohibited for us. In the previous year, I play Holi with my friends and we enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, I also like very much,
Mm.
playing
It's a very
colors.
good festival, but if we play it with like dry colors and we play it with gracefully, then it's really very good festival. Your
Yeah,
son is roaming here, there. Is your son
yeah.
how old he is?
He's 4 year old.
Okay, very small he is. Okay, ma'am, tell me something about your hobbies, please.
Oh, my hobbies is listening music and playing with children because I love kid. So whenever I like free time, so I have little kids, so I I like to play with them, and I like listen music. So I try to listen like working my kitchen chores, house chores. I just listen music.
So, which type of music do you like to listen?
Before that, I was listening Hindi music, sometimes version and movies. But nowadays, I only try to listen English. Include every time our myself to in English. So that's why.
So, you listen English songs.
Yeah, sometime I try to listen. It's very difficult to understand, but
Yes.
with subtitle, try to listen. And they sing so that they eat some word. You know,
See,
so it's
actually, I also, a couple of days ago, I also tried to listen English songs to improve my English. But believe me, I couldn't understand a single word because their accent is so different. That's why
yeah.
I faced difficulty to understand the words. So I skipped it. I skipped to listen to English songs.
One thing, just to do one thing whenever you listen one song, so just listen with subtitle, and try one song, try to listen again and again, like 10 to 20. So gradually we observe each and everything. First and second and third time with subtitle you listen and try to read that subtitle and how they pronounce that word. You just try because for pronunciation it's very good, like how they pronounce word. So if I talk like I don't know Punjabi, but I know Punjabi song, I can sing Punjabi song. Why?
Okay.
Because I listen many time.
Yes, you're right.
Where you face problem these days while
Actually,
speaking.
all the time when I start speaking, then I all the time I said he. I have to say he, she. I always make mistakes that time, and I always make mistake when I am talking about past, and I use the present tense. That time I face difficulty. Not difficulty because I get puzzled that time. So I make
Right.
mistakes because if someone is speaking in English in front of me, that time I get very nervous. So I make these type of silly mistakes. That's why I want to practice this language to improve myself, to get more confidence and overcome my problems. And I
Hmm.
saw your many videos. I saw your first video also. That time you were speaking broken English, and now you're very confident and very fluent also, actually. And I'm really very inspired with you that you improved a lot yourself. That's why I always try to talk to you because you're really my inspiration.
In the beginning, first, like we have to find our mistake, where we do mistake, and then just work on it. Like you are doing mistake he and she, so just
Mm.
practice, the practice. How you do practice? Like you talk yourself. Whenever you talk about your daughter, so just use make lots of sentence. She is doing this, she is doing this, she gets up early in the morning, then she do, means you just do practice. And second thing, you do, like you talk about your husband, he, so, and like then you mix both, he and she. My husband, he does this, and my daughter, she does this. So you practice yourself. And
Yes,
like
actually,
we also mistake because we are learning. So sometimes we know that thing particular, we know, like where we use she, where we use he, but while speaking that thing we forgot, but lack of a practice, we know.
lack of yes.
So
Mm.
if I talk about past, so we have to make like our past stories, our childhood story in our mind every time. Like if you want to improve your past, so you just make your past, you tell your past story to someone, your daughter, and anyone. Otherwise, if you're not there, not found partner, so you not find partners, so just do like make your own video. And it's like quite difficult to make our own solo video, just record ourselves and talk only
All the time
silent.
I talk to myself. I and all the time I try to think in English only, and all the time I try to speak with me. Actually, but yes, you are right. Lack of practice is my problem, and I want to overcome my this problem. That's why I'm practicing this language nowadays.
No, I'm not saying this. I'm saying you just record yourself. So
Okay,
after yourself, you can watch video where you did mistake,
okay, okay.
and
Yes, you're right. Huh?
take again you record your video. This thing helped me a lot. In initial day I did, even I also do, sometime I also do these days also, like I make my solo video, and I just want to find out my mistake, where I'm doing mistake. Sometime I also lots of mistake I do because I'm learning. So we have to find our mistake and work on it, where I'm doing mistake. Like
Okay.
if you do lots of conversation, you do in one day,
Only
how
one,
many?
ma'am. Only one.
Only one. Okay.
Yes, because I'm teaching in a school and I hardly get time for myself. So it's very difficult. Today is Sunday, so I'm talking to you. But due to it's my school,
Mhm.
hardly get time.
You improve a lot. I think first time I talked with you, so that time you was very nervous, and like
No, no, all the credit goes to you because you're very friendly, you're very polite. That's why I'm talking to you very confidently. And but you're really very good, and I'm really grateful to you because you added me in that group, and that group is really very helpful for me. And if you're looking any changes in me, then it's just because of you.
Oh my God. No, no, it's your hard work. Your hard work you are doing, you are practicing. If you don't do anything, so how you improve? It's your all things your hard work, you are improving your English. We
In
have to
today's
help
video, in today's
everyone.
session, I got three many important things, or you can say tips from you. Actually, you told me that I have to listen English songs with subtitle, and the second thing you told me that I have to narrate my childhood stories to my daughters to improve myself, and I also make solo videos to uh, catch my mistakes. And all these three tips are very, very useful for me, and I will definitely work on it.
Yeah.